Hi, good morning. OJ Tech is here. This MG came to my garage with no crank, no start issue. Sometimes start, sometimes not start. Okay. Alright, so what I did is that I checked the footage of the battery. The footage was okay. Look at it. And the battery is new battery. Can you see? 12.0. Alright, so with my test, I found this issue. The ground wire was lost. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. So according to the customer said they replaced the engine a month ago. So since then, he noticed sometimes the car will start, sometimes it will not start. Because of this issue, rather, the customer replaced the battery a week ago. The same issue occurred. Okay. So with my test, I found that